Hi guys, I'm sorry I haven't done videos for a while, but now I'm back and I want to show you today how to make mince pies, which are lovely and sweet, great to have with a cup of tea, especially in this winter season. And I'm going to try them a different way today. I'm making them with self-raising flour, so let's see how different they'll be. Okay, so here we have 2 cups of self-raising flour in my mixer. You don't need a mixer, but it's easier. But if you want to do it by hand, you can do that too. If you want to have a lot of mince pies, obviously double the amount for each ingredient. So we're going to add butter or margarine. We have 6 spoons of this, which is this size spoon, so it's just like a tablespoon. And also 6 spoons of caster sugar or granulated sugar, which is in there. Now we're going to mix it. Put it on. And you can see it's starting to stick together, but it's not enough water. So add maybe another spoon. And again, maybe it needs 1 more spoon of water. Okay, so now it's ready, but I am gonna change it a bit, make it a bit more exciting. I don't like sticking to traditional recipes, so I'm putting in this lovely grated coconut, dried grated coconut, 3 spoons of this. Will make maybe the pastry taste nicer. Now we're gonna mix it again. Okay, so now it's all mixed in. I'm gonna put it in the fridge in a plastic bag for 30 minutes before we're gonna make it into the pastry and the mince pies. Okay, so it's been in the fridge 30 minutes and I've got a floured board here. And if you find it's a little bit sticky, then just add a bit of flour like I have. And now we're going to roll it out. You need to split it into 2 parts, because otherwise there won't be enough room to roll it out thinly. So it's been rolled out and you can see it's very thin. Now we're going to cut it out. This is for the bottom of the case, so we're using the bigger one. The smaller one you can use for the top. So we've cut out a few. Okay, so now I put them all in this tin, which is a shallow tin, and it was all greased with a bit of butter, as you can see beforehand. Now we're going to put in some mincemeat. This is a nice filling that you can make or you can buy it. So what do you see in here? You see, so it's got sultanas, raisins. This little white things are vegetable suet. It's got a bit of lemon skin and sugar and apple puree and some nice spices. So if you don't have the one from the shop, you can make it yourself. You just need to cook it for about 10 minutes until they become soft. So most of them are full with the mincemeat, but unfortunately we've run out. So this happens always at the wrong moment. So if you run out, this is what you're going to do. You're going to make this. This is apple or pear, whichever you have. And you just grate it small or cut it small. A sprinkle of cinnamon, a little bit of orange or lemon skin, grated, and a little bit of cinnamon. So you have to put the sugar because it won't be really that sweet, and we'll add in some raisins. So you see how it looks with the raisins or sultanas. Let's see how it's going to taste. So now I've filled them, the ones that I didn't have any left for. So it looks quite nice. If you have time, you could have just cooked it for maybe 10 minutes before we do this, but I think it will still turn out okay. Now we've made the tops with the smaller cutter. Okay, so we're going to prick them all so they don't rise that much. And then we get a bit of milk and we put it around the edges so that the top will stick on. And just press it down. Then you can make a hole in the middle. Okay, and then we'll do the rest. Okay, so they're ready to go in the oven. You can brush them with egg yolk or a bit of milk. This will make them go nice and golden. Now we're going to put them in the oven on 180 until they're golden brown. And if you want, you can sprinkle them with a little bit of sugar and then put them in the oven. So here they are in the oven. Let's leave them until they're golden brown from 170 to 180. Okay, so they've just come out of the oven. They look lovely. Now I'm going to sprinkle them with some icing sugar and get ready to serve. So there they are, ready to eat. Let's take a bite. Delicious. Even the ones with my own homemade mixture, the pear came out very nice and cooked, and the pastry's just right, not too hard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give me the feedback on how it went, and like and subscribe. See you next time.